I hope you can try the Sangkapyuk. This is an immersive 3D experience that we brought here in SM Mall of Asia. We have the Sangkaplan. We also have the Sandcastle out there. We also have the IG filter para sa mga mahilig mag-Instagram. Diba? And hindi lang yan. As your favorite halo-halo is Chowking Halo-Halo Supreme, you can enjoy it in the comforts of all of your homes. Diba? You can order it by a Chowking delivery app. We are also available in all our delivery aggregators and all of our 560 plus stores nationwide. You can enjoy it from Luzon to Mindanao. Punta po kayo. Let me ask the audience here, ano number 1 best tasting halo-halo ng Pilipinas? Chowking! At dahil dyan, tara na! Mag-Chowking Halo-Halo Supreme na! Yes, please. And please, pumunta rin kayo kung ayaw nyo sa SM Davao.
Yes, May 18 and May 19, we will be there. At this point, Ms. Arian and Kim, I think it's the perfect time for us to have a photo op with our Chowking team.
Yes, of course, we call on
Our Chowking leadership
Chowking
team.
leadership team, Ma'am Jo, Ma'am Jessa, our operations director, one marketing.
Yes, it's our time to have a picture with Kim Chu now. Yes, let's welcome to the stage our Chowking leadership team. Kim, is it okay? Miss Kim? Let's go down to our Sangkap Cube. Miss Kim, we also have some influencers and some fans that will be chosen to take a picture with you. Okay, let's do that. Chowking team, please help with this. Okay, let's all take our position in the Sangkap Cube. Let's do a group photo first with everyone. Yes, join us here. Let's have a group photo with everyone. Group photo muna. Hello to our dear influencers and fans, please. Please, let's have a group photo first. One photo muna. Our official photographer is here. My dear ladies and gents, my dear influencers, one group photo muna. Let's not cover Kim. Excuse me. One group photo. Thank you so much, our dear influencers. Thank you so much, our influencers. Now we need to clear the Sangkap Cube because our operations team from Chowking